Tired of waiting forever to charge your devices? The 240W Samsung charger cable promises the fastest USB-C charging experience on the market. With the ability to power up your MacBook Pro to 88%, iPad Pro to 91%, and Samsung S25 to 84% in just 30 minutes, this cable changes the way you stay connected. It's designed to cut down your charging time dramatically, so you can get back to what matters faster. What sets this cable apart is its universal compatibility. Whether you have the latest Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S25 FE, or even an iPhone 16, this USB-C to USB-C charger handles them all. It supports devices needing anywhere from 18W to 240W power, including laptops, tablets, and gaming consoles like the Steam Deck and Nintendo Switch. Just pair it with a power-matched USB-C fast wall charger, and you're set for efficient, reliable charging every time. Built with next-generation PD3.1 Extended Power Range technology, this cable delivers a groundbreaking 48 volts, 5A current. That means it's ready for the newest 240W devices, like the MacBook M4, while still working perfectly with older electronics. Plus, advanced voltage stabilization and dual protection features keep your devices safe from overheating and power surges, giving you peace of mind with every charge. The cable itself is designed for durability and convenience. Wrapped in a braided nylon material, it's passed over 40,000 bends in testing, ensuring it won't fray or break easily. At 6 feet long, it gives you the freedom to charge from hard-to-reach outlets without being tethered to a wall. Whether you're working at a desk or relaxing on the couch, this cable keeps you powered up and mobile. Besides fast charging, it also supports high-speed data transfer at 480 megabits per second. That means you can quickly sync photos, music, and files without any hassle. Just keep in mind, it doesn't support video output, so it's purely for charging and data syncing. It's a solid all-around performer for anyone juggling multiple USB-C devices. If you're looking for a reliable, fast-charging cable that covers all your USB-C needs, this 2-pack set is worth considering. You get 2 6-foot cables, perfect for home, office, or travel. Plus, customer support is ready to help within 24 hours if you run into any issues. That kind of service makes a difference when you depend on your gear every day. If that's you, someone who values speed, durability, and versatility in a charging cable, this 240W Samsung charger cable fits the bill. It's designed to keep up with your busy lifestyle and power your devices faster than ever. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your charging setup and cut down on wait times.